Do you want to do a room tour?
Sure, come in.
Okay, let's do this.
So this is my current room. Andrea's moving out soon, but let me show you my stuff. And now my skincare bag. I actually got it yesterday. I went on a really fun shopping spree with my mum and Emilia, and I bought some really nice stuff and I really like them. So in the bag we have this brush that I've been using for like ever. Then some makeup wipes, just in case, because sometimes I put on mascara. And then this, I think we got sent it or something, and I got it. And then I think this like ran out and I lost its lid, so I'm scared it's gonna go everywhere. Then I lost this for a while. It's face freshener. It's really nice and minty. I got it in Sorrento when we went on holiday. It's really nice. And this is like my face serum that I like to use. It's really, really nice and good. And then here's this massage face roller. I use it for my skincare, rolling this in the YouTube video I did a lot about this. Last but not least, this lip balm, which is amazing. I use it like every morning. It's just so good. Sometimes I put on too much though. And this is my boring chore sheet. Number 1, make bed. I failed that. Anyways, and these are my Preppy slippers. And then we have my clothes. This, which is one of my favorite tops. I don't wear jeans a lot because like I find them really uncomfortable, but they're really soft. And then I've got this really cute oversized top. And then there's even more in here. This is my side, and then that's Andrea's side. So I've got this, like this dress I always wear. And then that keeps happening. And then this top that shouldn't be in there. And then this really cute puffer jacket. I really like this. It's so comfy. Like I just love wearing it even though it's so hot right now. Like when if I can, I'm gonna like wear it all the time in winter and when it's cold because I love it so much. Then I have all of my most important things. So here's the colorblind glasses, which, how do they look? Then we've got this fish tank. I didn't know how to clean it, so it's a bit anyways, then we've got these AirPods that my dad gave me because apparently he never wore them. I'm wearing them right now, and I wear them like every day because I really like them and I just listen to music all the time. Then we've got this candle with this clip, and it's really cute. I love it. I got it yesterday when I went shopping. It's really cute. Then some perfume and deodorant, and this really cute thing I got at Claire's, and Stitch and mini squishmallows and lots of other things with my diary, but it's secret. So that's mostly all of my room tour. Since my brother is moving out, that means I'm going to make my room a whole lot different. It's gonna be like preppy, it's gonna have Stitch, it's gonna be a ton, way more than this, because someone's gonna do that for me. Okay, bye!